The first day of June, and two more Bay Area counties have moved up on the state's reopening tiers. Marin County now in the yellow, Solano County finally out of the red, making it into the orange tier. The changes come exactly 2 weeks from June 15th. That's when California is set to reopen fully without any COVID-19 restrictions. But are the businesses around the Bay Area ready for all of that? KRONon's Charles Clifford is joining us live now in San Francisco with a little bit more detail. Hi, Charles.
Yeah, hi. So, everyone is eager to fully reopen, get back to normal, but businesses are now sort of navigating this middle ground where they might be trying to reopen fully, but their customers aren't ready to go that far, and so they need to find a way forward where everyone is safe, but yet they're making sure they're doing everything they can for their business.
For us, it's going to be an interesting balance.
Carl Aguilar is the co-owner of Pappenhausen Hardware in the West Portal neighborhood of San Francisco. He's excited about the possibility of California fully reopening, but also realistic about it. He says that not all of his customers will be ready to put the pandemic behind them by June 15th.
I think a lot of people are going to be figuring out a new normal for themselves. Some people are going to be probably going back into hiding a little bit because they are concerned, like for their own health or for the health of people that maybe can't be vaccinated.
In order to set the minds of worried customers at ease, Carl says they will be keeping their coronavirus safety precautions in place. The plexiglass at the register and the social distancing markers on the floor will remain until further notice.
Our goal here has been we do not want to get anyone sick, and we don't want to get any staff members sick. So I think for us, at least, regardless of what happens, we'll be wearing masks at least for a while while we figure out what's going on.
At this point, they have not yet decided if they will ask customers to wear masks inside the store after June 15th. They're waiting for guidance from the state and to see what other businesses decide to do. They don't want to upset customers, but also don't want to put them in danger. Carl hopes there's a middle ground.
We're going to have to come up with some sort of balance that people can understand and respect.
With California's full reopening on the horizon, Pappenhausen is also hiring. Many businesses that had to lay people off over the last year are now struggling to find new employees. Carl says they are not going to be adding a lot of new staff, but he's hoping they can bring in at least 1 or 2 new people.
But I do know from other people, they've said it's impossible to find anybody. Yeah. And I'm curious to see how that plays out.
Yeah, back live now. Something else the hardware store is considering doing is creating mask-only hours during the day so people can come in and feel comfortable while they're shopping. But for now, in San Francisco, Charles Clifford, KRON 4 News.
Kind of reminiscent to the beginning of the pandemic when different grocery stores were having hours for elderly shoppers and that sort of thing, just trying to keep people safe. It's a serious song and dance they're all having to go through, huh, Charles?
Yeah, they've got to figure out what everyone's comfort level is. When we went into the pandemic, it was easy because everyone wore masks and social distance. It was all the same. But now, as we're coming out of the pandemic, the different regulations and comfort levels are different from business to business, person to person. So it's a really tricky thing to navigate getting back to normal. And they're going to have to work on that and figure out something here in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, those comfort levels are different for everyone. Thanks for that report, Charles. We'll check in with you a little bit later.
Yes, they are.